In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upscale video quality on CapCut PC. If you want to make low-resolution or slightly blurry footage look cleaner and more polished before exporting, CapCut gives you a very quick way to improve the final output settings. This won't magically recreate missing detail from extremely poor footage, but it can noticeably improve how sharp and professional your video looks when it's exported correctly. Start once your editing timeline is fully complete and you're happy with your cuts, text, effects, and overall layout. From there, move your mouse to the top right corner of the CapCut window and click the large blue Export button. This opens the main export settings window in the center of your workspace. This is where CapCut lets you control the final quality of the video file you're about to generate. Next, focus on the video export settings and look for the resolution field. In many cases, this will already be set to 1080p by default. Click the drop-down arrow to open the list of available resolution options. Then choose a higher setting, such as 2K or 4K, depending on the type of result you want and the power of your computer. Increasing the resolution expands the pixel canvas of your exported video, which can help text, overlays, and finer visual details appear sharper and more defined in the finished file. After that, move down to the bitrate setting, which appears just below the resolution controls. Click the drop-down and change it from recommended to higher. This is an important part of the process because bitrate affects how much visual information CapCut preserves during compression. By switching to the higher option, you're telling the software to prioritize image clarity and hold on to more detail, which helps reduce softness and keeps edges, background elements, and small on-screen details looking cleaner. At this point, you've completed the key quality adjustments needed to upscale your export inside CapCut. You've opened the export panel, increased the resolution, and optimized the bitrate for a sharper final result. Together, these settings help create a cleaner, more high-definition output file with better overall clarity. Before exporting, just keep in mind that higher resolutions and higher bitrate settings can increase file size and export time. That's completely normal, and it's usually worth it if visual quality is your priority. Once those settings are in place, you're ready to export your video with improved quality. And that's it. You're all set.